Hey guys, good morning. It's around 7 a.m. Here's my little morning guest. He was hanging around last night too. We were splitting some wood last night, or in the evening, and he was standing right over there. So it's hard to compete with Philippines with all the fresh fruit and vegetables they grow there, because it's, it's pretty much good growing season all year round, and there's something different growing all the time. Here, it's hard to grow stuff in the winter, but now that it's pretty much summer, one of the things that do start to grow right outside my front yard is strawberries. They're not very big. The ones you see in the store are, of course, a lot bigger, but I have to say these are a lot tastier. It seems like the smaller they are, the more tastier they are. These aren't quite ready to pick, but you can see this whole area is filled with strawberries. Some smaller ones there, and some more there. And we do have to compete with the deer. You saw the deer this morning. They walk around, and this is like their probably favorite snack. We always see them eating these. So you definitely do have to be quick to enjoy these snacks, but you can see they are all over the place. They're not quite ready to eat yet though. So today's plan is to take these trails using this three-wheeler out into the woods and pick up a few piles of wood that we're going to use to burn this coming winter. That's pretty much what we do all spring, summer, and fall. We look for wood out there. We usually try to find wood that's already fallen or dead trees, and then cut them up and then split them and then put them in the garage to be ready to burn for the winter. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Start this guy up and then load a couple logs up, and then I'm gonna bring it back here. All right, so that's load number one. I'll probably do like 5 or 6 loads today, and then I'm gonna take the three-wheeler and show you some of the trails around this area. we usually have more than one pile of wood to split. This one is actually left over from last year. This is already split. All we gotta do is take this into the garage, and that should be ready to burn. And then we have another pile over here, which we're gonna start putting it from the woods and then put it here. So all this needs to be split, and this will probably have to wait at least a year for us to start burning, but it's nice to have more than what you need because it does go quick. Trying to beat the rain. The temperature's starting to drop and it's starting to get cloudy, so I hope it doesn't start to rain. If you're wondering why we keep the wood like this and not like this, is because when it rains, if the water was to sit here, it'd waterlog the logs, so we keep them like that for the water just goes right off of them. So I'm not sure what the weather's gonna do. It's getting kind of dark out there. So I'm probably just gonna do a few more, and then I'm gonna have some fun in the three-wheeler. You can see you can go a lot faster when you're not carrying all that weight. We're getting there. We're barely making it up. That's a lot of weight back there. And here comes the rain. It's starting to sprinkle now. So I'll probably do one more load and I'm gonna take a ride to the trails. Alright, so not a bad day's work. We got 3 big ones left, and then eventually we'll come back and get the rest of this. So we made it just in time. Here comes the rain. And I'm not gonna lie, that actually feels really good. I'm gonna put these last 3 away. Trail riding. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video by riding the trails. It's starting to rain now and it does feel pretty nice. But this is just kind of a day in the life of some of the chores that we do out here. The next plan is to wait for the splitter and eventually we'll split all this. But there's still more piles to pick up, so this is something we're going to continue to do on throughout the summer. But you guys take care. Yeah, so I'm going to go have some fun in the three-wheeler. See you guys later. these are the worst right here. I just ran through this. Look at those thorns. I think a thorn caught my ear. So growing up, this is pretty much what we did out here. We had three-wheelers, we had dirt bikes, we had four-wheelers, we had everything driving out here all through the trails all day long. And the good thing about the three-wheeler is it has the wheel in the front, then two wheels in the back. So if you haven't been on the trail in a while and a lot of it grows up, this really pushes it down the best. You know, the four-wheeler has two wheels on this side, two wheels on this side, so you're leaving that whole gap in the middle. And of course the dirt bike only has those two wheels. So this is always my go-to when you want to make some trails or go through some old trails that's been